My name is Nitika and I'm an Excel freak. In today's time, Microsoft Excel has become one of the most powerful and essential corporate tools for data analysis and visualization. However, there are many of us who still struggle or dread even hearing the name. My motive behind starting these video modules is to help each one of you, along with my own self, to learn and explore more about Excel so that it becomes our best friend one day. Today, what I intend to share with you is an essential efficiency tip of Excel. Many times when we download data from certain databases or websites, what we get is a dataset with certain blank rows in between, similar to what is visible on the screen right now. Analyzing such data is always a challenge as these blank rows can get you in trouble while sorting, filtering, or creating a pivot table. There are various methods to solve this problem. However, what I will show you now is one of the quick ways to delete these blank rows in Excel 2010 and 13 version. Let's first select column B to column J. Now, click on the Find and Select button under the Home tab towards the extreme right. Here, click on Go to Special and the Go to Special menu bar opens. Click on Blanks and OK. All your blank rows have been highlighted and selected. Press Ctrl and minus key and you get the delete drop box. Select entire row and click OK and all your blank rows will be deleted in one go. Now let's go to sheet 2 and let me explain you how to do the same thing using the keyboard shortcut. Press Ctrl plus G key and click on Special. Now click on Blank and OK and all your blank rows will be highlighted. Press Ctrl plus minus key, click on entire row and OK and all your blank rows have been deleted. Hope this Excel trick comes in handy in your day-to-day Excel assignments. For any queries, feel free to reach me at msexcel.freak@gmail.com. See you. Bye-bye.